Nice one, guys. So basically, I'm back in the kitchen with another recipe, which I'm gonna be sharing with you. It's also weight loss and also detoxing of the body. Now, a lot of people key on weight loss at the moment. All right. Now I'm gonna share exactly how to make this one. All right. Now it's gonna be a simple and delicious weight loss recipe from Chef Ricardo cooking today, and I'm gonna walk you through it, and I'm gonna show you how you can do this one at home. It's not gonna be complicated. It's gonna be super nice, easy, and simple. So basically right here, I have some flat parsley. I like flat parsley, guys, because it works very well with weight loss. All right, if you're a person who wanna lose some weight. Now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get some cucumber, and I'm gonna be using some organic cucumber to do this beautiful drink today. So if you're a person who are interested of weight loss, then this is gonna be for you. All right. So I'm using half of a cucumber. That's gonna be super nice and delicious. Then half of a lemon. So we're gonna squeeze that lemon inside of it. All right. Lovely. So that's the lemon juice. Now what we're gonna do next, we're gonna get a medium-sized apple to use with it. So, and the apple which I'm using is gonna be green apple. And what we're gonna do next, we're gonna get a nice, lovely chunk of piece of a ginger. We're not gonna be using too much ginger, nice little piece. So we'll put that ginger straight inside of the blender. Also, I like to use, now and then, a nice lovely piece of a celery inside of it. So I'm just cutting up my ingredients. Straight inside of the blender. Just like this. Now, I must simply say to you, that is beautiful. And I will encourage you, whatever you guys are doing at home, this is gonna be a recipe for you, okay? Now, what you wanna do next is put a little bit of water inside of it. We're not gonna be using too much water. All right. Then what you can also do, put some apple cider vinegar inside of it. Just a pinch of apple cider vinegar. Now, if you like, you can put some organic honey inside of it. It's good to use a little bit of organic honey if you're a person who cannot manage the natural ingredients and you just want to have a little bit of sweetness to it, then this is really good for you. All right. Now, what we're gonna do, I'm gonna take it to the blend, but before I take it to the blend, let's get a cup, all right? Get a glass, and we're gonna take it to the blend, right here. Lovely. So as you guys can see exactly what's going on inside of this blender. So we got the water, we got the celery, we got the green apple, we got some ginger, lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, organic cucumber, and some flat parsley. So we're gonna blend up all of these ingredients together. And hope when we blend it, we get that beautiful and an amazing texture from this beautiful drink today. Let's blend it up. Wow. Now, here it is. Beautiful. And it's all natural. So what you want to do, just pour it out inside of your glass. Right here. Simple and also delicious, all right? And that's exactly what Chef Ricardo been talking about right here. Now, if you guys have any more ideas and you want me to make something for you, I'm always simple say to you, remember one thing. Feel free to reach out to Chef Ricardo and request yourself a nice, lovely drink, juice, recipe, whatever you like to, you know what I mean, make at home and you feel comfortable with. But as you guys can see, this is gonna be a little bit fiber, but this is also natural for you. Because if you're a person who does not like vegetables and all them stuff there, then this goes on really well for you, where you can have at home. Beautiful recipes. It's gonna be super easy and super simple, which I would encourage you guys to try and make at home. Now, if you like the recipe, it's only two things you can ever do, as I always mention to you guys. It's simple, 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 super easy and simple. Leave your comments in the description box. And also, please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. And remember, one thing, subscribe is very important. So if you subscribe to the YouTube channel, you can always leave your comments. All right? So as I said, guys, we got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas, a lot more things will be coming from Chef Ricardo. If you are interested enough, weight loss, detoxing, cleansing of the body, and all of these things, then, you know what I mean, as I say, this is where Chef Ricardo coming to give you a recipe which is going to be life-changing. All right? Remember, two things you can ever do, guys, is look after yourself and look after your health and be safe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will be seeing you guys with more recipes and more